15-term incumbent has just been ousted in a shocking primary upset. Democratic socialist Melat Kiros' victory signals a growing wave of voter anger toward the political establishment. This is a seismic shift in power that could redefine the party's direction. Here is exactly how this insurgency happened and why it matters. For over 3 decades, this congressional seat was held by a political powerhouse. The incumbent served 15 terms, representing the established wing of the party. But the political climate has shifted. A growing wave of frustration with the federal government has fueled a rise in left-wing challenges across the country. Enter Melat Kiros, a democratic socialist running on a platform of systemic change and grassroots urgency. This primary was more than just a local race. It was a direct collision between the old guard and a new, insurgent movement. Melat Kiros has pulled off a massive political upset in Colorado. The Democratic Socialist candidate defeated Diana DeJette, a 15-term incumbent who had held the seat for 3 decades. This victory marks a significant shift in the state's political landscape. Kiros ran as a left-wing insurgent, tapping into widespread voter frustration with the establishment and the current state of Washington. Analysts point to this result as a signal that voters are demanding more aggressive policy shifts. DeJette, one of the longest-serving members of the House, was ousted in a primary that reflected a growing divide within the Democratic Party. This loss is being viewed as a warning to long-term incumbents across the country that seniority no longer guarantees safety. This victory is a seismic shift for the party establishment. A 15-term incumbent losing to a Democratic socialist sends a clear message. Voters are tired of the status quo. The win signals a growing appetite for progressive policies and a rejection of career politicians. The immediate winner is the left-wing insurgent movement, while the loss for the establishment serves as a warning for other long-term incumbents nationwide. Watch for how party leadership responds in the general election and whether this sparks similar challenges in other districts. A political newcomer just ousted a 15-term veteran, signaling a major shift in the party's direction. Is this the start of a larger trend across the country? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more updates as this story develops.